Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by Delta.exchange. I'm traveling to Maldives for a short holiday, so that's why there is no video for the next few days. It's only audio. US market hit fresh all-time high, and right now after the market close, Google result has come, Tesla result has come, but both the stocks have not moved big after the markets. And GIF Nifty indicating about 40-50 point higher opening. What happened on the day before HDFC Bank results? HDFC came under severe selling pressure. HDFC Bank fell about 40 points the day before results. Results were on Saturday, so this price action was on Friday. Then HDFC Bank results were better than expected. So the next day, whatever it lost on Friday, the equal amount it recovered on Monday. So probably the Infosys story may be the same. Because the overall sentiment was very good, so Infosys was higher throughout the day yesterday, but in the last 15 minutes, there was a severe selling and Infosys has fallen about 40 points in the last 15 minutes alone. Then after the market close, the results came. So I think the results are better than market expectation. So they've increased the guidance also. Basically did not increase, but they said from 0 to 3% was the earlier one. Now they say 1 to 3%. So that is the lower band has been increased. So because of this, US ADR is up about 1%. So that corresponds to like yesterday's morning price. So which means that there is a possibility Infosys can move about 40 point higher. And depending upon the short position in Infosys, who knows, it can move more than that also. US ADR is not the correct indication, but mostly it will be correct, but not necessary all the time. Moreover, here the positioning matters. What is the position? Like if there's a huge short, there may be short covering and so on. So because of that, today, although Infosys has fallen about 40 points in the last 15 minutes, but correspondingly some other stocks might have gone up. That's why the Nifty did not come down at all. So therefore, the GIF Nifty is indicating about 40-50 point higher opening. And now Nifty is going closer to the short-term resistance. The short-term resistance is 25,300 to 25,320. So if that is crossed, technically markets are becoming bullish once again. So otherwise, now 25,000 is supposed to be a very good support, and recently it broke that and again moved significantly higher than that. And in fact, last time I thought 25,200 itself will be a good support, but that was broken mainly because of these TCS results and Axis Bank results. Even now, the overall result season is not really very optimistic. So far, I can say only ICICI Bank has done well, and all other stocks are, not really good. But what to do? There's enough liquidity. Retail people keep on pumping the money to mutual funds. Mutual funds keep on buying the stocks. So this, even if there is a rally, that rally is a liquidity-driven rally. As and when there is some bad news, markets are likely to correct big. But right now, there are no indications. And in fact, India VIX closing around 10.5. I think earlier once it went below 10 also, 9.9 or something like that. As far as I remember, that was the lowest VIX in my trading career. So we are very, very close to the lowest one. So which means that people they are not expecting any big thing. So the main reasons, global cues are positive, local cues are negative, FIIs are selling, DAs are buying. So these equal and opposite forces, market may oscillate, market may not move significantly. So that is the expectation. So that is why, the volatility index keeps going down irrespective of market move. Nifty has fallen about 700 points, from intra-month high to intra-month low. But even then, VIX continued to fall. So let us see. Today it is the game of Infosys. And the broader range for this month will be 24,900 to 25,650. And today, short-term range is 25,000 to 25,400. So yesterday, Nifty spot closed around 25,200. Like 25,000 put and 25,400 call, both are trading around 8 rupees. So a number of people have sold both call and put 8 rupees. So they will pocket this money if Nifty is not moving more than 200 points on either side. So let us see what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.